Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be focusing on subtraction with multi-digit numbers. Here's our problem set up for us, and we're going to start by looking at the ones place. So our values in the ones place are 2 and 4. Now the larger digit is on the bottom, which means we have to regroup. We cannot do 2 minus 4. So we go to the next place value and we have to regroup. So this 8 now becomes a 7, and this 2 we regroup 10 more and it becomes a 12. Now we can perform the subtraction. 12 minus 4 gives us 8. Now we move on to the next place value. 7 minus 1, that gives us a difference of 6. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Next place value, 1 minus 8. I notice here my larger digit is on the bottom again. That means we have to go to the next place value and regroup. This 3 now becomes a 2. This 1 we regroup 10, so that 1 now becomes an 11. 11 minus 8 gives us 3. Now we can do 2 minus 2, which is 0. 9 minus 9, which gives us 0. So our final answer is 3,068. Now I can also check my answer by using the inverse operation or the opposite operation, which in this case would be addition. So if I wanted to check my answer using addition, I would take the answer that I got, which was 3,068, and I would add it to this number on the bottom. So I would take 928,614 plus 3,068. Now if I get this number on top, 931,682, that means I got my answer correct. So let's check using addition. 4 plus 8 gives us 12. 6 plus 2 gives us 8. 6 plus 0 gives us 6. 8 plus 3 gives us 11. 1 plus 2 gives us 3. And then 9 plus 0 gives us 9. So I can see there, I add my comma. Okay. So my total matches the top number that I subtracted from the number that I started with, 931,682. So that's one way I can ensure that I got the correct answer.